Workplace safety is serious business, but that doesn't mean it has to be boring. Imagine turning safety training into an exciting, interactive experience that employees actually enjoy. In today's video, we're diving into 9 engaging safety games that will make safety training fun, memorable, and effective. Whether you're in an office, warehouse, or construction site, these games will keep employees actively involved while reinforcing essential safety practices. Let's jump right in. First, Safety Scavenger Hunt. Who doesn't love a scavenger hunt? This game turns workplace safety into an adventure. Employees form teams and search for essential safety items such as fire extinguishers, emergency exits, and first aid kits. The first team to collect all items and correctly explain their use wins a prize. This game not only encourages teamwork but also reinforces the importance of recognizing safety equipment in real-life scenarios. Plus, a little friendly competition never hurts. Now, Safety Bingo, BINGO, and safety is the goal. Customize bingo cards with workplace safety tasks like wearing proper PPE, identifying a safety hazard, or correctly using a fire extinguisher. Employees check off squares as they complete tasks, and winners earn rewards like gift cards or extra break time. This is a fantastic way to reinforce daily safety habits while keeping things competitive and engaging. Then, escape room challenges. Imagine being trapped in a hazardous situation, and the only way out is by solving safety puzzles. Escape room challenges push employees to collaborate, think critically, and respond quickly to workplace hazards. Each challenge can simulate real-life workplace scenarios, such as a fire evacuation, chemical spill, or power outage, and employees must work together to resolve them safely. This game promotes teamwork, quick decision-making, and a deeper understanding of emergency protocols. Oh yes, self-made safety videos. Why just tell employees about safety when they can show it? Assign teams to create short safety training videos on topics like fire safety, fall protection, or proper lifting techniques. Employees can act out common workplace hazards and demonstrate the correct safety procedures. Not only does this boost engagement, but it also allows employees to creatively express their understanding of safety practices. And who knows? You might discover some hidden acting talent in your workplace. Not to forget, Minute to Win It safety games. Speed matters in emergency situations. Test employees' safety skills with a Minute to Win It challenge. Who can put on PPE the fastest and correctly? Who can complete a quick-fire emergency drill in under 60 seconds? This game creates a sense of urgency while reinforcing essential safety procedures. Not only is it fun, but it also prepares employees to act quickly in real-life emergencies. Now everyone's favorite safety musical chairs, a childhood classic with a safety twist. Employees walk around chairs while music plays. When the music stops, they grab a safety question taped to the bottom of the chair and answer it. If they answer correctly, they stay in the game. This activity keeps employees engaged and reinforces key safety concepts in a lively and interactive way. Furthermore, Safety Karaoke. Time to hit the right notes on workplace safety. Laughs. Employees rewrite the lyrics of popular songs to include safety tips and then perform them karaoke style. Imagine singing about fall protection to the tune of your favorite pop song. It's a hilarious, memorable, and effective way to spread awareness about safety practices. Plus, it gets everyone laughing and learning at the same time. Now my favorite, safety art and crafts. Creativity meets safety in this engaging activity. Organize an art competition where employees design safety posters, slogans, or even hazard warning signs. These artistic creations can be displayed around the workplace as daily safety reminders. This game fosters creativity while reinforcing critical safety messages in a visually appealing way. It's a win-win! Last but not least, storytelling sessions. Sometimes the most powerful lessons come from real-life experiences. Organize storytelling sessions where employees share personal safety incidents, near misses, or lessons they've learned about workplace hazards. These conversations create a stronger safety culture by reminding everyone that safety is a shared responsibility. It also allows employees to learn from real-life situations in a meaningful and relatable way. And there you have it. 9 fun and interactive ways to make workplace safety training more engaging. Safety training doesn't have to be a dull lecture. It can be exciting, creative, and even competitive. Implementing these games can make safety a core part of your workplace culture while keeping employees engaged and motivated. Want to take workplace safety to the next level? Enroll in our OSHA 10-hour and 30-hour training courses today and ensure a safer, more productive work environment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more workplace safety tips. Stay safe, stay aware, and we'll see you in the next video.